All right, guys, this is Don with OMAC Reflections. Thought I would do just a quick um, tips. We just got done with our BNI meeting, referral connections, and Charlie Bosworth was the 10-minute um, speaker today. So he is with ProClean. They do water restoration. So I wanted to point out one thing that very important, and it is down in your basement, or maybe not your basement, but it's located somewhere in your house. So I'm going to go down and show you what I'm talking about in my basement. So if you go on vacation or just out of town for a week, this is something that you should do every time to avoid a disaster. So I've got a basement, and I store a lot of stuff in the basement. And if this item does not or fails, this would become a swimming pool and destroy a lot of stuff. So everybody should know where your water shutoff valve is. So mine is located over by my furnace, which is right there. Steps is right back there. So when you go on vacation, you should shut this off. It's not going to harm anything. If you've got heat in your basement and everything's maintained, your pipes should be good to go. But all you have to do, my particular one has the main shut off coming out of the from the road, the water line coming in, and you got a pressure valve, and then I have two. So all you got to do when you go on vacation, take that 5 minutes, come down here, turn this on the off position, and how you'll know, obviously, it is. Let me see if I can get over here. So the line is going this way, and if that's the opposite, normally that's shut off. If it's in line with it, that's on. Guys, do yourself a favor and shut that off when you go on vacation. Because if you do have a break or something like that, that little half-inch pipe will turn this into a swimming pool. So get that taken care of. All right, guys, this is Don with OMEC Reflections. I am out. Talk to you later.